Natalie, good on them. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Push it.
Keep going.
Okay, you can't get that.
That was a fail.
Total fail. Knock it the fuck off. You still recording?
Yeah.
Listen, I'm gonna let him.
Look at that.
I'm gonna let him hit me right in the face. Alright, you ready? You're gonna hit me right in the fucking face. Alright?
Ready for the shot?
Not very hard though. You ready?
Ready?
Right in the face. Come on, dude. Right here. Right here. Alright?
Keep your head up.
No, I ain't getting my broken nose.
You said face, not top of the head.
Hit the fishing rods. I ain't going fucking fishing. Let's do it.
I ain't fishing for that ball yet. It's definitely good. Ow, you fucking prick. Is this steel toe? Nope. Prick? That fucking hurt. Alright, motherfucker. You gotta get another ball ready, because we're about to play some goddamn dodgeball.
You're dead! Drop!
Listen, motherfucker, I gotta go hunting tomorrow. You need to rest.
Let's go. Game kick.
Those cameras right there.
Go over there.
Huh?
You should hit it. Go across.
Did you hit it?
Monkeys, dude. Fucking monkeys.
Dude,
Yeah.
you landed right on a fucking bike.
I'm good and ready for you.
Landed right on.
Here's some. Here's some. Here's some.
Get out of here, dude. Fucking prick.
I'm done.
Should I skateboard that address?
Kickflip.
Kickflip.
Yep.
I don't want to break it.
Let's see. I'll try.
You're wearing boots. It's gonna be hard.
One more try.